Welcome to Part 2 of Section 1.1. In this section, we will be looking at functions graphically, and we will learn how to create a scatter plot given a set of ordered pairs. Functions as graphs. This is the most important part about a function, is that we can graph it. In this case, we were given a set of ordered pairs from the information of Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures and the relationship between the two. So you can see here is a graph of those individual data points. This is called a scatter plot because there's nothing right now connecting them. It's just a bunch of data points. But you can see that these data points appear to be falling on a line with a positive slope and a y-intercept above 0 but less than 50. Do you recall what the equation for the model of the relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures was? Recall that it was F equals 9/5 times C plus 32. That constant 32 represents the y-intercept, which is why we have a data point right at 0, 32. Notice where the input, or the independent variable, and the output, or the dependent variable, are located on the graph. Recall that the input is the Celsius temperature and the output is the Fahrenheit temperature. Input is on the x-axis, output is on the y-axis. Making predictions with functions. There are many reasons why it is important to graph the data from the function, but one major purpose of graphing the data is to determine a regression equation, also known as a line or curve of best fit, in order to make predictions. In this case, we already know the function for this data. F of c equals 9/5 c plus 32. The line of best fit through the data points is given in this picture here. We have a nice line that represents all the data points and the line going through them. So the summary of these key concepts is we have a function. We can identify a function graphically, and we can create a scatter plot of the set of ordered pairs. The key learning point is when creating a graph of the function, the input variable is on the x-axis and the output is on the y-axis. We can use the graph to make predictions. Please go to Section 1.1, Part 3.